Today is a good day. We got a new house.
And we'll see what it is.
And then we got my bunk bed. Where me and my friends sleep on. And then we got a trampoline chair.
1 bunk bed, 2 bunk bed, Rocky.
And then we got the trampoline chair. We got the TV.
TV.
We got a DVD player. Some DVDs, really old, so they're on the
Yeah, and we'll show you the.
got a TV.
We got a TV.
Got a and then couches.
Say hi, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
We got a little coffee table. Oh no, this is the coffee table. That's the table. And then I feel like the kitchen has to be my favorite part of the house. So guys, this is the kitchen. It's actually really cool. It's got bar stools.
Let's show them what's in the fridge.
Yeah, we got some stuff in the fridge.
Yeah.
We got
Only the necessities.
knives.
And the toaster right next to it.
Toaster,
You know what that means?
coffee maker.
Oh, look.
I don't know what that is. Oh, cutting board.
In this, we only have the necessities. Ice cream sandwiches.
You know we need them.
And then ranch dressing.
Yep. So microwave, coffee maker, paper towels, like drink things. It's a really cool sink. It goes blobble blobble. And yeah, next to my parents' room. Next is my parents' room. Well guys, this is my parents' room. King size mattress. There's Ava. Ava, say hi. TV. There's, yeah, Galveston.
Okay, so far so good?
Yeah. Me, we're hello. There's Gavin coming in. That's to the backyard.
Let's show them the bathroom.
Bathroom is my parents' restroom.
Oh yeah, really awesome shower.
Hello.
Really cool shower.
Dance. 3, 2, 1. Dance to your. Okay. Then we've got the toilet. So you can see. And next is our parents' room. No, I meant our room.
Ooh.
I meant
Did we
our
already
room.
show them our room? We started with them.
No, not our room. Let's go to Ava's room. No, the other restroom. All right, guys, this is our restroom. This is gonna be our restroom.
Fresh linen.
Yeah.
And a towel. And
Another toilet. Ooh, a push button. Push button.
yeah, watch this.
No, don't.
I already used it.
Oh.
What is still?
Clap it up for Gavin. And then we got the shower. Oh, I haven't seen this. Who knows?
Pretty nice shower, yeah.
And next, Ava's room. All right, guys, this is my sister's room. Meh. No.
About my room?
Yeah, it's pretty boring.
I want to see the TV where. Oh yeah.
All right, guys, I guess that concludes our video. Like and subscribe.
Goodbye.